John, what are you going to say? Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Nice to be back. Aye.
Nice to be back. You back on the tools today?
Well, I'm not really on the tools.
What you been doing then?
I'll be doing the carpets in a minute.
Oh, you're the carpenter?
I'm the carpet fitter.
So what's been happening today is they're just starting to put the new headline in of the Defender here. So this is all going to be boarded up. So Duncan has been working on this morning with John, and at the moment what they're doing is they're dry fitted it now, and then they're going to take it out, and then John's going to fit the carpet onto it, and then it'll be fitted back in into the vehicle later on, and all fitted in properly before we start on the walls. As you can see, we've taken the bulkhead off there, and then that'll be fitted back on once the boarding's done. So that's where we are now. So the board's coming out just now, and then after that, carpeted and fitted back in. They've used 4mm ply for the roof here.
Oh, this is heavy, isn't it?
Aye, as you can see, John, look, are you alright with that, son?
I am. Put it in the trolley.
As you can see, there we go, that's the first bit out. So that's going to be taken away and carpeted now.
Right, what we're doing today is we're just marking up the carpet to put the carpet, the tiles for the roof, both sides, and that'll be the first bit of carpet to go in.
So is this self-adhesive carpet, is it?
Self-adhesive carpet, what we're doing is we're taking it another 10mm along the edges here so as we can fold it back.
Can I work under these conditions, I take it?
I can't work under these conditions, you know.
Moaning again.
I know, even now and again. Right.
Hello, John.
Hello.
Hello. What have you been up to today, mate?
Well, I'm not saying too much
How no?
because I've been a busy man.
What have you been up to?
Well, I've been in meetings all week, innit? So
Meetings all week. Meetings all week.
This is the first day back.
Alright.
And we get to stay at the place. There's stools everywhere.
Who did that though?
I need to have a word with the resident chippy, you know. Don't know where he's gone.
What's the chippy been doing?
Well, obviously making a mess. And I'm not too happy.
You're not too happy then, eh?
Well, thank God it's the weekend.
Aye, well, what's happening this weekend?
Oh, we got a busy weekend this week.
And what's happening this
It's
weekend?
the annual Army Navy game, isn't it?
Annual Army, is that kind of football match or something, is it?
No, not really football. It's more like a rugby match, you know.
A rugby match?
More like a grudge match.
Well,
you know.
I've actually been there a few times, and
Yeah.
I've never actually seen the match.
How's that?
Usually I find a step just
What?
before the supper bar, and
A step?
somebody to sit on, like, it's a long day on your feet, innit?
Want somebody to put you on it, or you sit on it yourself?
Well, it's been a bit of both, if I'm really perfectly honest.
Is it? How long do you sit there for?
Usually the whole game, and after it,
And obviously you get people to pick you up.
it's an awful big carry, like, you know, it's, you know, no everybody can pick me up.
No.
Although I did get carried to the stadium
You
2
said
years
that,
ago.
Not me.
Well.
Nobody can pick you up. Huh?
What is
Two or
it?
three.
So what are you saying?
Two or three of them.
You saying I'm fat or something?
I wouldn't say you're fat.
What would you say?
Pleasantly plump.
Oh, pleasantly pleasant. Oh, thanks very much. Does that mean I'm pretty pleasant?
I come back and I'm paying you compliments.
You come back? Well, you've not come back for you anywhere because I've been with you all week.
Have you?
Aye.
What, in spirit or in mind?
In mind. So
it's
this
no-
is what we've been doing this
it's
week.
no spirit,
Get rid of
it's
his,
like you
get
got.
rid of his whinging. So basically this week, the weather wasn't brilliant this week, so we worked inside today. And what we did is we cleaned up all the parts we've got. All this stuff is in a right old mess. Been in the vehicles for 20 odd years or whatever it is. How old they are. And so we've been busy cleaning the parts up, giving them a bit of paint. John's not been that busy really, if I'm honest.
See, that shouldn't be there.
Oh, that shouldn't be there. So when we cleaned the dash, this was all covered in green vinyl. I think you've seen, maybe seen that in one of the other videos. That was all cleaned off. All the engine parts were cleaned off. That's going to go back in. Nothing worse than putting a new engine in and all the dirty parts in it. But today, a real bit of a success today. We started on the woodwork. Well, I've just come out in the new because I've been doing other work, important stuff. And so a bit of woodwork's been going on here today. So 4mm ply, and the 4mm ply is for the roof liner here. So basically the ply's been cut and put into shape. Then we took it back out and we've carpeted it, ready to go back into place. So one bit's up, next bit's ready to go. We've just carpeted this. John's been a bit of a hindrance to it, if I'm honest.
Working at heights.
Any height's a height for him, pavement's a height. So this is what I've been up to today. That means you're pretty small.
Aye.
But no for me to say.
There's no.
So as you can see there, and then we've got a strip going down the middle there to hide the join there. But the whole vehicle is being done like this. So black carpet. The drawers are going to be carpeted inside and outside. So as you can see, it's coming together. It's going to start to look shape now. Take a bit of shape, and it's coming together really well. So this will be in over the next today and tomorrow. It's getting late in the day now.
Half day tomorrow, mate.
It's not half day tomorrow. Duncan is away for a meeting about another project. We're hoping to start up along with Daz Hennessy, ex-Booty. We're going to be running a project up here at the centre if we get permission from Lady Clark, who owns the estate. I know you've heard the John's normal whinge. This is his normal position. There he is. That's him at work.
Normally the sun comes in at dinner time.
See that's him at work there. So John, you get in to see your fans before I go?
Well, I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Saturday.
What's happening Saturday again?
Well, back up that rugby match, you know.
The rugby match?
There, aye. A wee bit of business to do beforehand. But
like what? What's that?
I'm not telling you.
Oh.
I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you.
Is it proper business?
Aye, don't be trying to get it with me, because I'm not telling you.
Like, am I going to be with you?
No, definitely no.
How no?
Because you're no.
I might be.
No, you might not be. You're not coming.
I'm going.
No, you're going somewhere else. I'm not talking to you, I'm away.
Not. Oh, right, you're away, are you?
I'm away.
John, say to your all your fans.
I don't whinge.
This could be your last video.
What do you mean by that?
You're sacked.
I'll have to get a different agent.
Sacked.
Not like that.
So carrying on with fitting out the back of the vehicle here. What we've done, you can see just in front of me here, this is, as you can see, a wider shot of the Land Rover Defender. You can see this is the top of the drawer system. From the side access here, we will be building other boxes straight up. But if you can look over with John there, we're just working on this next section to go in, and to make it easier for the mechanics to get access to their tools, we'll be putting this cutout section in here, which the mechanics can just lift off to get their day-to-day tools. If you just come out of the background here, you'll see that Duncan is working on this next section, and the bit he's just screwing up in here just now is for that little hatch to sit on, a little platform for it to sit on, so the easy access to the tools. So as you can see, this is the next section put in. It looks uneven just now, but that's because we haven't fixed this down, because we don't want to fix anything down before the next build. So we may have to take all this out for the mechanics to fit in the wing doors. But everything just fits in perfectly. And you can see that. John, if you want to just demonstrate taking that, or Duncan, take that out. This is how it will operate. As in, the mechanics will come up to the drawer. They can just flip that section out, access the tools from this section here, so the day-to-day tools that they'll need just in that section there, and then just pop the lid back on. Gives them easy access to everything. Yeah, and there you go. And once that's all fitted down, that'll all be nice and flush, and it'll be ideal for the job. Okay. Next stage is to build the drawer system. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and on Twitter @VIA Charity.